What's up everybody? So for today's video I'm gonna go a little bit different. I'm gonna show you my setup that I actually do for my videos. When you see something like this, something like that. So let me show you the process. Let me just show you a few things right now. So this is my 36-inch Octabox. I actually use the ADB2 with the Evo 200s on here. Since I really don't use the bulbs when I do photography with these lights, I might as well just make use out of this and use it as I should, other than photography. But the modeling lights on this is way better than the Explorer light, which is up there. I got a big collapsible backdrop that I actually cover here to kill this light, because I want to just maintain the light from the ADB2 or the Evo twin head. And then depending on the time of day that I record, over here I put a small reflector just to block in light, because even with the shade down, there's light still coming through. Like right now, this time of day when I'm recording, no matter if I put an ND filter, you still have that light coming in through there. You really can't see it right there, and that bothers me. So I'll put a reflector there. This is my tripod. This tripod is actually from Adorama. They sent it to me like 2 years ago, which I still gotta do a video on. I'll get to it someday. But yeah, I actually recommend it. Didn't think I will need it, even though I said yes to it. Didn't think I would use it, but I still use it. All right, and for the setup that I put on the tripod, depending on what I'm displaying, it'll be either this setup, which is the A6500 with the Rode mic on the side and a phone holder above, so I can use my phone as a monitor. Or if that's the case, I will use the A6500. I'll use the A7 III with a 10-28 to 75. Or the 16mm Sigma crop, depending on the field that I want to go to, but mainly this one. And I would put one of these clamps you see on here, this clamp, I will raise this up and lay it right there in between, just so I can hold the phone. Or I'll put it in an angle where I could just look at the phone somewhere else. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the process of that real quick and show you the final results. All right, so I'm actually going to start a timer to see how long it actually takes me. Never done this yet. Where you at? Where you at though? Stopwatch. All right. Obviously, yeah, I'm gonna have to start and then go over there, but I'm gonna take it as is. All right, ready? See the time right there, 1:52. Go. Real quick, while the time is running, 2 minutes right now. That's right here. Even if I put the shade, you see that golden light, which is perfect if you want to do some natural light stuff. Which is perfect to get that replication of a golden hour, but that's not the case right now. But let's continue. That's just pretty dark now, huh? Let me see. Yeah, it's dark. Now I know that I have the time running, but I forgot to mention another one. In this case, since this light right here is going to be reflected off my computer monitor, I put another reflector just to kill it a bit. All right, let's bring you guys over here. Let me adjust you now. Now you guys are pretty much, I still have the same settings, I haven't changed anything. Now I do use the arm of the C stand just to give me that reach that I need. Okay. Now in this case, I'm not gonna set up the monitor just because I don't want to stop the recording. There's gonna be no cuts in this one. I lower it and I adjust by the head if I need to. Pause. All right, now since I believe, yeah, I have it set up where that backdrop is almost out of frame. There it goes. I know it's messy down here, especially that red box, but it's whatever right now. I bring it down to F2. I notice there's still some light there. It doesn't bother me too much. So now, if I want to shoot from here, this is where I need a monitor. Hold on, let me pause it. Just so you could be aware, I'm at 7 minutes right now. Alright, I'm back on the screen. Now let me just adjust this. Bring it back down, since I can see myself better now. I bring down the light as low as possible. And I try to bring it in more. If I see the modifier, then I'll back it up. All right, so pretty much that's it. Right here, you can hear it. I still got like half of a finger to preserve the light. So the light is like literally right here. That's pretty much it. Now, right now I have the roll mic on, but if I want the better quality, I would use the Zoom 1 mic. You know what, let me just set up real quick so you guys can hear the difference. Yeah, see, I got a good head up, I got a good headspace. You can still see the that backdrop on the right. Well, my right, your left. All right. Let me do it the right way. I'm gonna try my best not to cut this video off and just speed it up if I have to. All right, ready? Hit the record, put it on hold so I don't accidentally stop it. And let me get the clap. This is the audio from the mic. Not bad, right? I do wish I had the aperture light, because I don't have to put it at this distance where it's at and how close it is. Like, it's literally about a foot away from my face. It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. But having a light just set up, just turn around, just set up the way that I have my own setup right here is pretty much, and I gotta remember now that I'm, just because I'm talking to the monitor, whatever. So yeah, pretty much the setup. The only thing I'll have to change was everything. I usually have all this set up, but the wife doesn't like it because my office space is part of the living room, and I understand that, so I cooperate as much as I can. So yeah, I didn't think this through real quick, but I should have used this camera on the wife calling. I should use this camera on there so that I can demonstrate it better. See, that's the bad problem of using the phone as a monitor when you get phone calls. You can just shoot in airplane mode, but I couldn't find my other phone to use that as a monitor. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Amauris Hernandez. If you're new here, consider subscribing if this was interesting for you. Something that you could take off if you don't have an office space and now you don't have an excuse. Now you can use natural light. I definitely would use natural light, but since the sun is always coming in and out, it just changes. Now in this case, I could take it off a white balance. In this case, I could take it off. Like in this case, I could take it off auto white balance, which I usually leave it during the daytime or when I have natural light, just because everything's changing. Sorry, just because everything's changing. So in this case, that's why I love this. That's why I love this, because it's constant. Now, I would change the auto white balance to certain kelvins, to certain kelvins. That way it doesn't change. So I'm using constant light, it won't change. So it might change sometimes. I noticed it before when I accidentally left the auto white balance on, but it is what it is. So yeah, let me think of what you think about the audio with this mic, which when I clapped, you saw, and it's right there below what I'm using, right there. And yeah, so hit the subscribe button right there, turn on the post bell notification button, and see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, now to break everything down. Oh, update. I know that I mentioned I was gonna I will do a video on why the 35mm is the best portrait lens. There's a photo that I want to demonstrate that I cannot find. So if I cannot find it this week, for sure next week I will notify you in the community tab, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me there. That's where I update you the most. So that link is in the description. And yeah, peace. Where are you? 6500.